Privacy for all, period.
Since we mostly communicate and interact in the digital realm, data has surpassed oil as the most valuable resource. For years now, many of the richest companies in the world have been collecting our health data without considering the consequences for individuals. And in the wake of the Supreme Court's confounding Dobbs decision, which unnecessarily revoked our constitutional right to medical privacy, these companies are harvesting even more intimate and sensitive health data, including information about periods and menstrual cycles, heat sensors to figure out who you are and when you are ovulating, and geolocation services so they can harass you while you're talking to your doctor. They track your data through your personal apps, wearables, and search history. They sell or give this information to third parties, including the cops, state officials, political parties, universities, the federal government, and marketing companies.
Wait, what? Are you telling me that tech companies and info brokers are taking my wife and kids' intimate status and putting it out there? I'm going to go find him, and I'm going to chew him out. I need to talk to his manager.
Welcome to Midweek Update. I'm the white guy, Jake Asham.
And I'm the not-so-white guy, Carter Marshall. Tonight we're talking about health data privacy, two words that go as good together as Ted Bundy and Kristen Mingle.
I am pro-life, pro-woman, pro-privacy, and pro-America. I hope and pray that the politicians in America will decide to protect the medical privacy data of its citizens.